Yo, peace family. Here we go with another video. This will probably be the second video today. We are doing the Jordan 5 alternative grape. Another gift that they sent to me for a review, unboxing it on feet. Before we jump into all that good stuff, you know I gotta thank you guys for being the best YouTube subscribers on the freaking planet. Can't do it without you guys, and you know I don't condone the selling, reselling, the manufacture of UA sneakers, replica sneakers, fake sneakers, whatever they're called nowadays. I don't condone it. I just review the videos and put the shoes on my feet. So got the box right here, and it is 9.5. They were $1.90. These released on July 7th of 2020, so not too long ago from the filming of this video. I did not get a chance to, I actually didn't even try to get them on sneakers or anything like that, because I probably would get a pair from somebody that would gift them. But black light in the box, you can see there's that EX sticker or stamp on them again. Just something to point out. Now let's go ahead and take a look at these. I can see in the upper, the box kind of smushed the suede down, so we're gonna have to fix that here in a minute. I'm gonna bust this. I hate those things. I'm gonna pull a suede brush out here in a second, and we'll try to see how they work on these. But this pair I wasn't too excited about until I got them in hand, and that's starting to be the trend. Like, you'll see sneakers and you'll be like, they're cool. And then when you actually get them, they finally get to your house, or you see them in the store, you're like, those are dope. The Jumpman looks amazing on the back. I don't see any stitching flaws. He's not too fat. Super icy bottoms. They don't look like they have a blue tint to them. They look like they're 100% translucent, but let's see. The upper on that side got a little smash. You got the Air Jordan behind the tongue. That's always been there. The tongue on these looks a little different. I don't think I've ever seen a tongue like this. It might have looked like that on the Fear 5s. They got the little lace lock there. Here's the air sole. The other shoes got a little bit of that smash suede up there. And we're going to fix it. I'm going to try something. But this shoe looks good too. Like, these were executed really, really, really well. All right, let's see what this suede brush will do. Now with the suede brush, you got to kind of brush it in two different directions at first. Then you kind of go one pattern. But you got to make it stand up, and then you lay it down, if that makes any sense. See, looks a lot better. And if there's like little, this is the brush too. Make sure you get one of these little kits that comes with the mink oil. I'll throw some mink oil in there later. Now look, it's transitioning right. And this is that thicker type of suede too. I did get a little carried away with suede brushing these, but it needed it. Every shoe with this type of thickness of suede needs it. That's better. There's the mink oil. On Amazon, it's like $7-8. Now under the black light, I did not find too many things, except there's some lining issues there. See? You can barely see it. And I wonder how they even kind of clean that stuff off of a suede sneaker. There's an EX, oh, there's a bunch of EX stamps. Hold on. You look at this again. Whoa. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there's a little one over there by the midsole. Let's look at the other shoe. Okay, really no lineup marks there. That's cool. Nothing on that side. Did I see an EX stamp? Hold on. Let me look at this again. These were great. Oh, there we go. There's one there. So they almost got that on the shoe. That's interesting. Why'd they stamp them so many times? Is that like the process they go through? Now here's a retail pair of white grapes, white emerald grape, whatever you want to call them. These are from 2013, I believe. They're not the most recent, but, or maybe they are. I don't remember, but this is one of my grails. I've had them forever. I think they did re-release them with the Nike Air on the back, so I think I need a pair of those now. But I only brought those out just to show the inspiration from it, not really doing a quality check. And there's a little mark. See, retail even have some scuffs, and you know, there's some things. A little bit of glue. And these are old too. I've worn these about 10 times. They're old. See, the retail sneakers aren't perfect either. Let me start black lighting these a little bit more. But if you just look at the inspiration it drew, it's obvious. They have the emerald green, the grape colorway. And I noticed the alternative grape on that teal side towards the bottom, it's speckled. And the white grape, there's really no speckles in the teal piece on the side, that little shark fin they call it. Because the 5s was originally made after like a fighter plane back in the day. That little teal scrunchie should be on the white grape. It would look better on the white grape. And I don't really like those little scrunchies because it's like, it messes up the way I lace them. So I usually take them off, but I'll probably keep them on just for the sake of the review. They don't come with any other laces or anything like that. And the other shoe's a 9.5. The retail sneaker's a 10. And I've noticed I've been having the half size down in pretty much any gifted sneaker I've been getting. And before we jump into the on feet, do me a favor and go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Love you guys, respect you guys. Let's go. Test. 1 2, mic check 1 2 1 2. Is the wind messing up my mic? Yo. Peace and love, guys. I am back at the school. Got my wall. You know what, on the next one, I'm gonna go somewhere I've never been before. Don't hold me to that, but I'm gonna try that, you know? I keep forgetting I can back up and talk a little bit. So, yeah. I've been getting a lot of hate lately, and at the same time, I've been getting a lot of blessings. You know what I mean? Like, these are blessings. That's a blessing. If the hate comes with the blessings, I'll take that. It is what it is. I actually really don't care. Probably won't get my vacation in August, and it still feels very weird talking on this mic this far away from the camera because I can't see myself. Shout out to Alias, man. Thank you for the shirt. I mean, I paid for it, but you know, I still appreciate you hooking up. This is a dope shirt, yo. Like, this is dope. It's like 2 shirts. You know that? That joint fire, ain't it? I think the wind is messing up my mic. All right, and let's get to the shoes now. All right, you guys, that's it. Zoom out. That's it. That's all I got. Got about 4 or 5 more pairs to do, and you know where to find me, guys. Peace, love, and light. Hit me up on IG, and yeah, we'll go from there. I don't leave like any way to source these bad boys because you really can't really do all that on YouTube. But yeah, didn't I just do a purple shoe down here? I think I did. Huh, a lot of purple shoes lately. I love purple. Hit me up on IG or something like that, you know? I might even do Twitter. Probably not. Peace. It's like one of my favorite camera angles right here. I like the symmetry. Like going, it's nice. It's a nice look. So now I gotta like make a pose. I'm gonna pose real quick. What can I say? I love the shirt. It's simple, but not simple. It's just dope. All right, back to the shoes, back to the shoes, man, come on. Is that a crumb or a gray hair?